Rolling.
Hi. So Reactiv actually not only allows you to mirror a PC onto the canvas, but you can even control them. So for example, with touchback, I can enable the touchback right here, and now I'm actually controlling that PC directly. So your PC can actually be connected and be controlled. Oops, don't sync. And multiple laptops can actually be controlled using touchback. Now this can be done wirelessly through Miracast, but it can also be done wired through a dongle that we're offering. So by connecting that up to any PC as a USB device or through wireless Miracast, laptops can not only be displayed, but they can also be controlled back.